Okay, so I'm going to go over the warm-ups with you guys. I'm going to start off with the warm-up for day one. The plan is for each week to have new warm-ups. We may spread them out into 2 weeks, but the one that is labeled day one will always be the same setup. So the directions are to read the Meet the Artist. This week was Edgar Degas biography, and use it as a guide to fill out the Meet the Artist job application worksheet. Make sure that you are reading the directions on the worksheet. So we have the PDF of the Meet the Artist biography, and then we have the Meet the Artist job application worksheet that you will fill out. So this is what the biography looks like. Most of them will be 1 page. If they are, some of them may be 2 pages. Very simple read. So you're going to use this to fill out the job application. So the directions for this: Meet the Artist worksheets are a fun way to introduce you to great artists. You're going to use the Meet the Artist biography to fill out the artist job application for the specific artist signed that week. Type your answer beside or under each question and change your answer color to red. Remember, you are answering the questions as if you were the artist. So these questions are being asked. You are answering, you're pretending to be the artist of that week. So this week it's Edgar Degas. You are going to answer the questions as if you were that artist. So for example, what is your name? Well, the artist for this week is Edgar Degas. So you are going to type in Edgar Degas. Now I've already changed my text to red for the example, but just to show you how, if you're not aware, it will automatically be in black text, but you highlight right here over the word that you want to change. This is where you'll find the text color, and then you'll select the red for your answer, okay? The next question is, where were you born? So you're going to go back to the document. You're going to find where the artist was born, because remember, you were answering the questions as if you are the artist. It asks where you were born and when you were born and so forth, but keep in mind, you are answering the questions as if you were the artist of that week. So hopefully this will clear up any questions you might have. If you have any more questions, please let me know, and enjoy it.